Hey, what's up, Rico gang? Welcome back to more NFT education, where we take NFT projects and we try to break it down, and just try to learn a little more using actual NFT projects. All right. And so the NFT project that's actually come across my radar is EleFans NFT. Now, before we get into this NFT, I want to first of all say that I completely 100% support the direction that this project is going in, which is why I'm covering it. I usually don't do that in videos simply because I'm just reviewing them and, trying to learn from them and trying to teach about them. But, I kind of check them all out prior and, this one definitely is something that I can get behind. All right. Now, welcome to the family. The EleFans NFT is your subscription to all our events and activity. But let's talk about the story. Elephants are the largest land animals in the world. They are very bright and have great communication skills through vibration, not forgetting how cute their newborns are. So what, they get ugly when they get, no, I'm just playing. But the largest land animals have come together and brought us the elephants, all right? A collection of 10,000 baby elephants to help use those skills to give back to the community and the less fortunate in this world. EleFans love giving back and changing lives. All right. So this is a charity based NFT. All right. This is something that could be big because, when it comes to charity and the money, just look up how much money goes into charity per year, and then you'll kind of get it. Right. So they live on the blockchain, and each elephant holder will be able to take part in the community activities. The elephants will work full time to bring change to the community and world. All right. And it has you to join their Discord, but we'll do that a little later. All right. What does being a holder mean? Right. Let's talk about what you get from being a holder. Being a holder of the EleFans means you have at least one EleFans NFT either minted or bought on OpenSea. Owning it will enter you into the first competition and also act as your subscription for all other competitions. All right. Now, the first competition will be drawn using the EleFans NFT numbers, and the winner will be the owner of the EleFans NFT at the time of the draw. Please note, all winners will be verified and have to show proof of identity to ensure we are rewarding the correct people. All right. The EleFans NFT will be your subscription to all activities, including massive competitions to win great prizes like a Tesla, Lamborghini, NFTs. Wow. Hold on. Tesla, Lamborghini, NFTs, holidays, Ethereum, Bitcoin, and much more. All right. So they're going to ask how. And I think this is important that they explain that, because a lot of times we read this stuff off and you just kind of left to think like, well, how is all these promises supposed to be made? All right. All elephant holders will be granted exclusive access to competitions that will crown winners and change their lives. Funds from competitions will be used to fund charities, help change lives, and better community members financially. All right. The aim is to raise enough funds to help throughout the year. And also by the end of the first year, we will be able to fully fund and support building of an orphanage. Wow. And more in a developing country that really needs it. 100 NFTs will be kept with us for community giveaways on Discord and Twitter. Okay. So let's talk about further competitions. All right. 10 further competitions after the NFT mint launch for the 2022 roadmap. All further competition tickets will be minted here in the form of a Nano pass. The Nano passes will be available to current EleFans holders, and all holders will be whitelisted to all competitions. Competitions will be drawn using the Nano Pass NFT numbers, and the winner will be the owner of the Nano Pass at the time of the draw. And Nano Passes will be all priced at 0.02 Ethereum and have limited supply. All right. Now let's talk about giveaways. Alongside the competitions, we will be doing giveaways for NFTs, Ethereum, Bitcoin, which they've pretty much said. All right. But let's talk about this roadmap. All right. All right. Now, pre-mint, which is where we are right now. Community development, community building on Discord, Twitter, and YouTube. Artwork designing, smart contract development, all that good stuff, prior stuff, right? But we kind of know, we want to know what happens when this thing mints and what happens a little bit after. All right. So it's going to mint for 0.9 Ethereum. All right. It's going to be 10,000, and reveal the rarity will be available on EleFansNFT.com and rarity.tools. No limit to how many you can own, which is good. Each NFT is one whitelist spot to all future Nano passes. That's huge. Nano passes are limited to one entry per EleFans NFT. All right. Now, first competition. This is where it gets good. Tesla Model 3 competition, EleFans NFT competition, prize up to 2 Tesla Model 3s, must be a holder to get entry to this competition on the day of the draw. 50% sales mean 1 Tesla Model 3, 100% sales mean 2 Tesla Model 3s winners, all right? Now, the draw will be conducted and announced live on their YouTube channel, and the NFT numbers will be your entry number to the competition, right? Vehicles will be ordered for the winners from their nearest Tesla branch, Ethereum alternative available if the winner prefers it. So what that means is, let's say your Tesla, they don't have a Tesla in your country, or they can't get the Tesla to you. Then what's going to happen is instead of, maybe let's say the Tesla costs 100,000, they just airdrop you 100,000 worth of Ethereum, right? So that's pretty much how that works. The second competition is going to be 5 Ethereum giveaway. Let's see what 5 Ethereum is. Right now, that is $12,000, okay? And trust me, Ethereum actually just dropped recently, so that's probably going to be more. It's going to go back up for sure, but Nano Pass, 3 NFTs worth 5 Ethereum of winner choice. Supply 3,000 only, and the price of those of that new set will be 0.2 Ethereum. The Nano passes will be minted, available for all the holders, and the draw will be conducted on the YouTube channel, just like everything. And just like everything else with their competitions, your NFT number will be your entry, all right? So, boom, the third competition, the 10 Ethereum giveaway. So that's going to be about 24 grand, and probably by this time, possibly a lot more, right? Nano Pass competition, 2 NFT worth 10 Ethereum of the winner's choice. Supply 3,000, price 0.2 Ethereum, and Nano passes will be minted, and of course everything else that applies to the other ones. All right, so these are all the competitions that they plan on doing, which is, hey, pretty cool, putting money back into it. All right, so these are just some of the common questions asked on their site. I can really vouch for this team. I mean, I've kind of paid attention to them, and they're a pretty good group, all right? They kind of answer all these questions if you read through what I read through, but let's go check out their Discord and their Twitter, all right? So I'm already in their Discord, all right? So got 118 members in this group, all right? Seems to be legit, seems to be what it's supposed to be. It seems pretty active, and it is a smaller group. This is one that's, less of a hype train and more just utility based, and something that honestly I believe in going forward. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and check out their Twitter. And once again, I like when it's actually small like this. This lets me know that this is a real project, and this is just real people and everything like that. So man, y'all let me know what y'all think in the comments about this project. I will have all their links in the description. Man, I love y'all, Rico gang. Let's get it.